Da Nang is the fourth largest city in Vietnam and is located on the eastern coast of the country, along the South China Sea. The city has a population of approximately 1.1 million people, making it a bustling urban center. Da Nang is known for its sandy beaches, including Mai Kea Beach, which was named one of the most attractive beaches in the world by Forbes magazine. The city serves as a major port and is an important economic hub for central Vietnam. Da Nang is home to the famous Marble Mountains, a cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills that are popular for hiking and exploring caves and pagodas. The city has a unique blend of modern architecture and traditional Vietnamese culture, evident in its skyline and historical sites. Da Nang is located near the ancient town of Hoi An, which is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city boasts the Dragon Bridge, which is a stunning piece of engineering that breathes fire and water on weekends, attracting many visitors. Da Nang is a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists, known for its vibrant nightlife and culinary scene. The city has a subtropical climate, characterized by hot summers and mild winters, making it a year-round tourist destination. Da Nang's Han River, which runs through the city, is lined with picturesque promenades and is a focal point for local events and activities. The Linh Ung Pagoda, located on Son Tra Peninsula, is home to a towering statue of the Lady Buddha, standing at 67 meters tall. Da Nang is a gateway to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including Mai Son Sanctuary and Phong Nha Cu Bang National Park. The city has a rich history, having been an important port during the Cham civilization and later during the French colonial period. Da Nang's economy is driven by tourism, manufacturing, and services, with the city steadily developing as a tech hub. The city's food scene is vibrant, known for its seafood, street food, and local specialties such as mi quang, Quang-style noodles. Da Nang hosts the annual Da Nang International Fireworks Festival, attracting teams from around the world to compete in dazzling displays. The city is also known for its numerous golf courses and has become a popular destination for golf enthusiasts. Da Nang has a rapidly developing infrastructure, including a modern airport, which is one of the busiest in Vietnam. The city is home to several universities and educational institutions, contributing to a youthful and dynamic population. Ba Na Hills, located just outside of Da Nang, features a famous cable car ride that holds the world record for the longest non-stop single-track cable car. The Golden Bridge, held up by giant stone hands, has become a popular Instagram spot and a symbol of modern Da Nang. Da Nang is known for its friendly locals, who are often eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. The city has a diverse range of accommodations, from luxury resorts to budget hostels, catering to all types of travelers. Da Nang's public transportation system is improving, with the introduction of buses and taxis that make it easy to navigate the city. The city has several museums, including the Museum of Cham Sculpture, which houses the largest collection of Cham artifacts in the world. Da Nang is also known for its vibrant art scene, with local artists showcasing their work in galleries and public spaces. The annual Da Nang International Marathon attracts runners from all over the globe, highlighting the city's scenic waterfront and landscape. The city is strategically located between Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, making it an ideal stopover for travelers exploring Vietnam. Da Nang's coastline is dotted with luxury resorts and beach clubs that offer a range of amenities and activities. The city has a thriving expat community, with many foreigners choosing to live and work in Da Nang due to its affordable cost of living. Da Nang is home to several traditional markets, such as Han Market, where visitors can experience local culture and cuisine. The city is known for its lively street markets, where vendors sell everything from fresh produce to handicrafts. Da Nang's nightlife is vibrant, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants offering entertainment and socializing opportunities. The city is a significant hub for technology and startups, with a growing number of co-working spaces and innovation centers. Da Nang's beaches are not only popular for sunbathing but also for water sports, including surfing, jet skiing, and parasailing. The city has a rich tapestry of cultural influences, including Chinese, French, and American, reflected in its architecture and cuisine. Da Nang is known for its strong sense of community, with many festivals and events that celebrate local culture and traditions. The city is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, rivers, and lush countryside, perfect for outdoor activities. Da Nang's culinary scene is influenced by its coastal location, leading to an abundance of fresh seafood dishes. The city is a popular base for exploring nearby attractions, such as the ancient town of Hoi An and the imperial city of Hue. Da Nang has successfully hosted various international conferences and summits, showcasing its growing status on the global stage. The city is known for its commitment to sustainability, with several initiatives aimed at promoting environmental awareness and conservation. Da Nang has a vibrant coffee culture, with numerous cafes offering a variety of traditional and modern coffee drinks. The city is famous for its unique street food, including bánh xèo, Vietnamese pancakes, and pho, noodle soup. Da Nang's public parks and green spaces provide residents and visitors with areas to relax and enjoy outdoor activities. The city has a strong transportation network, including buses, taxis, and ride-hailing services, making it easy to get around. Da Nang's historic sites, such as the remnants of the Cham civilization, offer a glimpse into the region's rich history and heritage.